Hi, this is the Motorola Moto E7 Power and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And as you can see, we just successfully created a new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, just hold the application and drag it to the folder. To give a name or rename the folder, tap once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. And if you want to remove the application from here, you could hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. Also, you could hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll remove only the item and you will stay with this application in the apps menu. And also, if you want to remove folder with all of the applications, you should just hold the folder and drag it to remove. Could also click to undo just to reset the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.